Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer your Polkadot tokens from KuCoin to Bitmart in 2025. Whether you're diversifying your crypto holdings or just managing your assets more efficiently, this step-by-step guide will make the process straightforward and secure. Let's dive right in. First, ensure you have verified accounts on both KuCoin and Bitmart and that your Polkadot tokens are available in your KuCoin wallet. Crypto transfers can be risky, so always double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. Step 1. Log into your KuCoin account and navigate to the Assets or Wallet section. This is where you'll find all your holdings. Step 2. Locate Polkadot in your asset list and select the Withdraw option. You'll need to choose the correct network. Make sure it's the Polkadot network to prevent any errors. Step 3. Head over to Bitmart. Log into your account and go to the Wallet or Deposit section. Search for Polkadot and generate a deposit address. Copy this address carefully, as it's unique to your Bitmart wallet. Step 4. Back on KuCoin, paste the Bitmart deposit address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Polkadot you want to transfer, keeping in mind any minimum limits or network fees. Step 5. Review all the details one last time: the address, amount, and network. Once you're confident, hit Confirm to initiate the transfer. You'll likely need to complete a two-factor authentication for security. After that, sit tight. Transactions can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's complete, log back into Bitmart and check your wallet to confirm the Polkadot has arrived. A quick word of advice: always use reputable exchanges, keep an eye on transaction fees, and never share your private keys. If you're new to crypto, start with a small amount to test the waters. There you have it. That's how you transfer Polkadot from KuCoin to Bitmart in 2025. I hope this tutorial helps you out. If you found it useful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Stay safe and happy trading.